Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So I decided to take the sound van for a little cruise. Drove about 2 hours or so away from, it's about 2 hours, 2.5 hours away from Fargo. And I'm over here visiting my friend and decided to take the sound van out for a cruise to see how it drives and everything on the road. I did get the back end in, so, well, shit, just hit my head looking like a fucking idiot on film now. Oh, that's gonna hurt the neck later on my drive back home. So let's get this door open here. Back end's kind of heavy, just so you guys know. I did throw my 4-channel amp in and wired it in as just a quick little system wire, so I had sound for the road. It's tuned up pretty good, and I think I'm going to leave it at that tuning. And then that's where that's going to go. I did get the sidewalls in, at least one layer in on the sidewalls, and then instead of having the subs down like this, like so the subs would be going in flat basically, and having the magnets firing down, I'm actually going to have them going this way and still reverse firing into the port. So it's going to make it a little easier and simpler on the box build when we do that. And right now we're on a little bit of a project with my friend. So he had 210s inside of his Honda Civic. So we decided he had a box for 215s, and he had 215s. So this is the 10s that he had, which are the Comp VRs. He had those in there on a JP 800, and these are the 15s that he's going to be putting in there. They are the American Bass series. Sorry about the tapping that you probably heard. Let's try to open my screen back up because it went dead. They have direct leads on them. Big old magnets.
3,000 watt speakers, yeah.
3,000 watts. Carbon fiber dust cap, reinforced pulp, cone, stitched surround, fat, probably a 1-inch surround.
4 spiders. Yeah.
4 spiders, he says. And we're going to stick it in here. And we've got that box pretty well wedged in there. So that is not coming out of there. So if any of you fuckers are thinking about stealing anything out of it, trust me, you don't want it. You can't get the box out. There's just no way you're going to get it out. You would literally just be damaging somebody's crap and never get anywhere. Look, I think I got dirt on my lens. And there we go. Alright, say what's up, Jerry. There he is, the man of the hour. So we're going to throw that in. He's still running the factory deck for right now. So the factory head unit is still in there. He's running it off of a kicker line converter. And that will be switched up eventually here. Probably in the next month or so. So right now what he's getting as far as power out of these and sound out of these will eventually change when he gets an aftermarket head unit put in. And he'll probably do that on his own instead of taking it someplace and having some dorky little kid that thinks he knows stereos do it. So we're going to slap this in. This is going to be our little project. We'll give you guys a little tour afterwards, so stick around, alright? Alright everybody, so we're back now again. We got everything wired in and we got it playing, as you can see. Hopefully I don't get flagged for copyright music, but you know. The speakers, really? So, like that. But it does sound good. We managed to wedge the box in there, and we got it all hooked up. So it's doing its thing. And so if you guys haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe. And we'll catch you guys in the next one.